Hello and welcome back to Wrongmar. In today's maths lesson, we're taking another look at measures. Our goal for today is to solve some measurement word problems using a mixture of operations. And to help us do that, we're going to take a visit to the city zoo. So get your paper and pencil out because we're going to go meet some unusual animals. So let's start off on the African plain. We've got elephants and hippopotamus and even an antelope. If I tell you that an African elephant weighs on average 6,000 kg and is about 3.2 meters high, and the antelope is on average 250 kg and about 1.6 meters high, what would you say the average weight and average height of a hippopotamus is? Pause the video and give it a good estimate. Well, how close was your estimate? Was it a good guess? The average hippopotamus male is 1.5 meters high and 1,800 kg in weight. Let's move to a slightly colder habitat. Here we've got the Arctic fox, the Japanese macaw, and the polar bear. So, same again. If I was to tell you that a polar bear is on average 2.5 meters high on its hind legs, and it weighs 250 kilograms, and our Arctic fox weighs in at 9.5 kg and is about 0.3 meters high, what would you say our Japanese macaw is in height and weight? Pause the video and try give it a good estimate. Well, how close did you get? Was your estimate anywhere near? So our macaw is usually about 0.6 meters high, or 60 centimeters, and weighs in at about 11 kg. Let's move to another habitat. The reptile house. I love the reptile house. Let's see what's inside. Snakes. This red-bellied snake measures 11.5 centimeters, and the smooth green snake measures 24.2 centimeters. How much longer is the smooth green snake? Pause the video and see if you can solve this word problem. So here's what you should have. This is a takeaway sum because we're trying to find the difference between the two numbers. Up top, we have the bigger number, 24.2. That's the length of the green snake. Below that, we have 11.5, the red belly snake, and the difference between the two is 12.7 centimeters. Give yourself a tick if you got that one correct. Let's see what else we can find in here. Lizards and frogs. This guy over here is a bearded dragon lizard, and he weighs 248.5 grams. Beside him, we have the poison dart frog, who weighs in at 28.3 grams. How much do they weigh altogether? Pause the video and try solve this word problem. Well, here's what you should have. This is an addition sum because we want to find out how much they weigh together. We have on top the weight of the bearded dragon, below the weight of the poison dart frog, and when we add them together, we get 276.8 grams. Give yourself a tick if you got that one right. Let's move to a different habitat. The aquatic animals, the marine animals. And in here, we have Mama Turtle, and she's had 3 babies. They all weigh exactly the same. If they weigh 21.9 grams altogether, what does each one weigh? Pause the video and see if you can solve this word problem. So this is a division sum. We know that 3 turtles weigh 21.9. We want to find out what one weighs. So we're going to divide the total weight by 3. When we do that, we get 7.3 grams, the weight of one baby turtle. Give yourself a tick if you got that one correct. And then we can move on to our last habitat, the big cat enclosure. If one line weighs 127.5 kg, how much would a pride of 5 lions weigh? Pause the video and see if you can solve this problem. So, how did you get on? This is a straightforward multiplication sum. We know the weight of 1. We want to find out what the weight of 5 of them would be. So we multiply 127.5 by 5. And we should get 637.5 kg. That's the weight of 5 lions. Hopefully you got all 4 of them right, and you're ready to start exploring the city zoo by yourself. But before you go, try this last little problem for me. The average weight of a 10-year-old girl is 32 kg, and the average weight of a 10-year-old boy is 28 kg. So, what animals do you think would weigh around the same as an average 10-year-old? Pause the video and see if you can write down 1 or 2 animals. Then check their weights on the internet and see if you are close. If you find any animals that weigh the same as a 10-year-old, make sure you write them down in the comments down below. So our waltz for today was to be able to solve measurement word problems using a mix of operations. You're ready to try some by yourself now, so have a look at the activities down below. That's all we have time for today. Until next time, take care.